Welcome to Level Up Mechanics. In today's video, we'll be reviewing Diode Dynamics' most powerful 100% street legal fog lights that are available for the 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma. Since I've already created a video on how to replace fog lights on the 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma, this is just going to be a quick unboxing and review of the performance of these Diode Dynamics SS3 Max LED fog lights. I will provide a link in the description below to my previous fog light video if you're interested in learning how to replace the fog lamps, but also make sure to stay to the end of this video as I will show a comparison in performance between the factory fog lights, the Amazon LED fog lights that I previously installed on my Tacoma, and these high performance Diode Dynamics fog lights. Alright, here we have the box for the Diode Dynamics Stage Series 3 Max LED fog lights for the 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma. Inside you'll have 2 smaller boxes and also some very awesome decals and stickers and other reading material about the product. Here we have the decals. You can obviously see they sent a lot of them, which is awesome. I can use them on my toolbox or wherever I want to put them, so that's cool. In the first box here, we're going to have all of the hardware included in order to install the fog lights onto the truck. So inside you'll have a little reading pamphlet that quickly shows how to install the brackets onto the fog lamp assemblies. In order to do that, you're going to need to use the brackets that are included. They are directional, so you'll have a driver side and a passenger side. They are marked as such, so make sure that you just match the bracket to the correct side for the fog lamp. You're going to have your wiring harness adapters to connect the fog lamps to your OEM wire harness connectors. And then you're going to have your brackets themselves. Again, they are directional. And in order to attach the brackets onto the fog lamps, you're going to have these side ears right here where the hardware will go to attach the brackets onto the fog lamp. And here is the other bracket. And another pamphlet basically telling you to make sure that you point your fog lamps at a downward angle instead of straight forward. Otherwise, you'll just be blinding oncoming traffic. Here's the hardware that's included in order to attach the brackets to the fog lights, one for each side. And in the other box, we have the actual fog lights. Again, these are directional, so make sure you pay attention to the markings on the fog lights for which side is for the driver's side and which side is for the passenger side. I did get these fog lights in the white LED version with the clear lenses. You can get them with the amber lenses, which is supposed to help especially in inclement weather conditions like rain and snow. I went with the clear lens just because it suited my personal choice better for my vehicle. But that's pretty much it for the unboxing, so now I'm going to show you what it looks like on the truck. Here we are with the fog lights currently installed on the 3rd gen Tacoma. They are crazy stupid bright. I cannot stress how bright these fog lights actually are compared to the OEM option and the Amazon LED option that I had on previously. It is a major difference, and I'm extremely happy with the way that it turned out. The great thing about these fog lights is that when they're turned off, the fog light housing is black, so they tie in and match really well to the black trim on the front of my Tacoma when they're not in use, which I really like, instead of having that OEM chrome fog lamp look. But yeah, I'm very excited to see what these can do at nighttime, so I'm going to go ahead and show you a difference or a comparison between the OEM fog lamps, the Amazon LED fog lamps that I had on previously, and these Diode Dynamics fog lamps. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you have any questions, as always, just leave them in the comment section below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm really close to reaching my 1,000 subscriber goal for 2021, but I can only get there with your support. So if you want to see future content that I create on the Tacoma and you like what you saw today, please smash that subscribe button, like the video if you thought it was useful, and in the meantime, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.